Do you have to spend a ton of money to have a ton of fun driving a car? Today we're gonna find out. So you guys already know all about my Megane RS 300. You've seen it 100 times. We've got Eric's £4,000, £3,000 MR2. Now the price difference of these is roughly a factor of 10. But is the fun a factor of 10? That's what we're gonna find out today. I'm gonna take you on a little walk around this car because it is so cool. This is the 2-litre non-turbo, but you'll find out later in this video, it's spicy, it makes a great noise, and as many of you might know, it's mid-engined. We will be driving this car in point of view later in this video. We're gonna take both of them out together. We're gonna see if I can keep up with this, if this can keep up with me, and we're just gonna have a ton of fun on some of the best back roads in Shropshire. Right then, let's get into it. I promised you all I would drive it, and I am driving it. TRD, Toyota Racing Department. Very cool. Oh, that's so fucking nice. It's been so long. The wheel's so small. Does it have power steering?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it hydraulic?
Yeah.
Okay. Right then, let's see if I can actually drive a manual car.
Okay. Unhealthy.
Oh, it's been so long. Indicators are on the wrong side. Mate, I am losing my mind right now.
Made 130.
I'll get it.
Yeah, second goes up to about 60. So.
Do you know what? My car has such a quick steering rack. I'm not used to the inputs that you have to make in this. And you're so low to the ground.
Yeah.
Dude, this is so fun. And the seats are so buckety.
Yeah.
Straight ahead?
Yeah. Straight ahead good. Oh, I know what you're saying.
I feel like I don't know how to drive. Mate, it feels so mechanical.
It does, yeah.
Seriously, I've got to take you out for a drive in my car. This feels like a machine and my car feels like a video game.
Yeah.
It's crazy. You've got so much adjustability.
Yeah.
Like this is, all of this is still the lane.
Yeah.
Probably more, but I'm just not used to it.
Oh yeah, you got about a foot either side.
Dude, I've always wanted to drive an MR2. I told Josh earlier today, you know, I've never driven a mid-engined car.
No, you haven't.
I have.
The famously dangerous one is the one.
Yeah. Full throttle here?
Yeah.
Oh my god, yes. NA. Oh, that should have been second, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Second here.
I'm not gonna attempt that, but fair. I can't fit my feet in the pedal box, so there's no way I'm gonna be able to heel and toe. Oh. Right, note to self, don't lift off like that in the middle of a corner because that's where problems happen.
That is,
Oh, mate. Seriously, this is more fun to drive than my car.
I don't know, I reckon your car will be faster.
Yeah, faster, but faster doesn't equal fun. Like, oh my god.
Do you want to swap them?
No, I'll just sell mine and buy like 5 of these. Dude, this is what I need in my life. I need old and I need Jap. It's the steering, it's just so alive. Like the whole car is just alive. I don't think, I'm really looking at an E92 M3 as my next car, but I don't think it will give me this feeling. God, it drives well.
There's a good straight coming up in a minute.
Okay.
Oh, it's still reading cold.
See, it's fun at a low speed. You get the noise, you get the, oh god.
It's also got, like, once you're really going for it, you can really feel the chassis moving.
Sure. I'm not gonna get that today, but...
No, probably not. That takes a lot of effort.
yeah. So nice. So fucking nice. Oh. Let's go. Ooh, the decreasing radius is fun. I find it funny how, because that car's NA, it has to climb onto the cams, so it's quite slow from and off. It's pretty funny. This man has some balls though, I'll give him that. When his brake lights come on, I know that that's a problem. But the question is, for YouTube, is he having more fun than me? Do you know, I've got to respect him because he stays within the lines. He drives really, really well. I like the way he drives a lot. It also helps that his car's quite narrow. So he's got a bit more space to work with in the lane. God, this is fun though. This is a phenomenal road. It's like a rally stage. I'm out the power band. Fuck me. God above, that is a good road. Do you know what, when I was a bit closer to him and I could follow, it was a bit easier. And now I just have to make my own decisions. Let's go, I'll try and stay with him again. Imagine he's doing this with no ABS. Like, he is a madman. I've just got back from this drive and I have some thoughts. That MR2, almost half the power of my car, 1/10 of the price, 10 times as old, 10 times as rusty. It was dirty, it was a bit messy, it had 2 different colour panels, but it was more fun to drive than my car. My car felt like a video game in comparison to the machine that was the MR2. If you take one thing away from this video, it's that the price of the car does not matter. Just buy an older, sportier car for next to no money and you can have all the driving thrills you want. Price is not indicative of fun. And one more takeaway from me. I'm not the good driver that I thought I was. Eric is an absolute machine behind the wheel. He was whipping that MR2 faster than I can imagine, with half the power, skinnier tires, 3 different brands of tire. He was getting away from me. Now, yes, part of that was because he was a bit braver on the straights and a bit more willing to lose his license. But even in the corners, I could not keep up with him. I really thought I was going to catch him on brakes so many times, and I just didn't, because he had bigger balls and he carried more speed through the corners. Big props to Eric. The boy can drive. Follow his Instagram on screen here, right in front of my face, because that guy is serious behind the wheel. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Bye.